Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shellaby, aka SimplyShellaby. Welcome back. Today I am doing another clothing haul. It's kind of a mini clothing haul because, girl, let me tell you, it was hard to get these items. I tried like 3 or 4 launches now and I could only get my hands on a few items, but I really wanted to try a certain item in particular. Today's brand is going to be a UK-based brand called girlknowsall, if you've heard of it. They did a collaboration with the Instagram model and influencer Miss JOSLIN, who has like amazing style and I admire her so much, so I wanted to get some pieces from that collection. If you're interested in seeing the pieces, please stay tuned, and if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe and give this video a big old like. I would really appreciate it. Stay tuned. So the first set are these oatmeal colored sweat shorts. These I got in a size medium. They're like a nice light washed oatmeal color, and you can cinch in the waist if you want to get a really snatched look. I just decided to pair these with like a nice white tank top, a little gold jewelry, and just some sneakers to give it kind of a nice, simple, casual look. The second set I got are the washed blue shorts and then the oversized like graphic t-shirt that says Lake Superior on it. These were a nice light wash color, and the waistband seemed a little bit thicker in the sweat shorts, and then I just kind of combined it with my sneakers again. But these are a really nice casual look, and I love the t-shirt so much. It's very cute and just has like a very simplistic design and just supports Lake Superior, so why not? Great Lakes, here we come. Okay y'all, so this last set was the one that I was looking forward to the most. I know the other two I kind of just did a voiceover on, but this one I'd actually like to talk about because this one was the one that would sell out super fast. I mean, like, the items were in my cart. I wanted to get the joggers and the sweater, but I was only able to get the like tank top and then the shorts, which I will back up and show you what those look like. But basically this one was really hard to get, but if you can't get the sweater, because I tried, I found like a good alternative, which I'll show you in a second. But yeah, this is the top and the bottoms, which I'll back up and show you. But I got everything today in a size medium and everything fits pretty well, so I'll go ahead and show you the whole fit and then kind of show you my, I guess, dupe for the sweater. Here is the charcoal gray set. I got the top and bottoms in a size medium. The shorts go right above the knee, so they give a little extra length, which is nice for just a casual look. And then, you know, if you have the set all together, it kind of makes it look very cohesive and very like put together without trying so hard, so love that. And yeah, this is how it looks. I really like it. Again, this waistband is a little bit thicker, like the washed blue shorts, compared to the oatmeal. Okay y'all, are you ready for the dupe that I got for the sweater? Like I said, that thing freaking sold out right away. Like, it was in my cart and bam, bye, sayonara, see you later, gone forever. Anyways, I went to Target the other day, and in the men's section, lo and behold, I found a oversized looking sweater that I think will match this set perfectly. So let's try it on. And if anyone is wondering, it is by the brand Goodfellow & Co. in a men's size medium, and this was $29.99 versus I believe this sweater on their website was like $47, something like that. So I'll link everything down below just so you know, even this sweater from Target, and it looks like it matches pretty dang perfectly. I'll probably insert a photo of how it looks like online, the actual sweater for the Girls Know All, so you can compare it. But honestly, this matches the set pretty dang well, and I'm happy I found this dupe because I really wanted the sweater to go with this outfit, so I'm glad I was able to find that, and you can find it too. And honestly, like, for sweat shorts and things like that, I've even cut some of my own like joggers or sweats to get the look. So this is what the sweater ends up looking with the set. So I know I showed you guys like a full body kind of aspect of the items, but I didn't go into detail too much about them, so just want to talk about them a little more. So with the first, like, oatmeal shorts, again, I got everything in a size medium, but with these oatmeal shorts that I got, overall, I think the quality of things were good. Online, they seemed like they were going to be a lot thicker. So these are what they look like. Inside, it's kind of like a towel fabric, so it's not super soft. It's not like fleece lined. And this is what it looks like. I mean, they're cute and they're nice. I think the shorts are affordable. The joggers and sweaters are a little bit more, so I feel like if this was the jogger quality, then I don't know if I would have liked them so much. So I'm kind of glad I didn't get joggers, but these were the oatmeal color and these are cute. They're like really basic to style, so I think these will go with anything, like a white tank top, etc. And then for the next set of the like wash blue color, so the Lake Superior shirt, I think is really funny because I was there recently, like during the 4th of July week. So this is the Lake Superior shirt, and Lake Superior is one of the Great Lakes. And this shirt, so this is like a wash blue. It looked light purple to me online, which in person it's like a bluish purple. So that's how I would describe it. The shirt's not too bad, you know, like normal shirt. Actually, the shirt I got in a size large. Sorry about that. Shirt I got in a size large, but everything else size medium. Here were the shorts. These wash blue shorts honestly seem a little thicker in the band than the oatmeal shorts. I noticed that about these and the gray one. They seemed a little bit thicker than the oatmeal shorts. So these are the wash blue shorts, and you know, they're nice. They fit snug around the waist, which I wanted. I know, like, Miss JOSLIN, everything listed for her was in size large because she likes things really oversized. But for me, joggers and like sweat shorts, I like to just cinch in my waist without having to like cinch in with the waistband ties. I just find, like, for me, it's a more flattering look. So these were the wash shorts. And then the charcoal set, obviously the one that I was looking forward to the most. This one was, I think, my favorite. The top in a medium and bottoms in a medium, and again, these waistbands were a little bit thicker than like the oatmeal ones. I don't know why that is, but it ended up being like that. And then this sweater from Target, not from Girls Know All, but you know, it I think came together pretty well. So I really liked all of the sets. I would definitely recommend them. I think for the shorts, the price point is right there. I'll be linking the price down below. I think they're like 20 something, and then for the joggers it's a little bit more, and then the sweaters like get up there a little bit more in price. And shipping to the States was like $8 or $9, something like that, and shipping took about 3-ish weeks considering like the certain situation of the world, so it was pretty fast. And their customer service on Instagram was really helpful to get in contact with. So those were the pieces and kind of my, I guess, overall outlook on them. And that concludes the video. If you like what you saw today or have any questions, comments, etc., please go ahead and comment those down below. Again, I got sizes medium on mostly everything except for the shirt. I got in a size large for an oversized look. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe and give this video a big old like. I'd really appreciate it. I hope you all stay safe and well and have a wonderful day. Bye!